Get ready to do some caca.
Welcome to the Pachanga Experience.
Pachanga bodies. Do you love energy?
All right, everyone, we're doing good, we're making progress. But right, we heart energy. All right, this next exercise is called the Chris Brown. Ready? You hopping around, Hey, who's that? Okay, hopping around, yeah. Look at me now. I'm getting gymnastic body party. All right, look at me now. We're going to the right now. Look at me now. Yeah, she's in the right. Now, gymnastic practice. Ready? You feel it? Something happened. I know she did something because you women are evil. All right, you are an animal. You're looking at your prey and you want to give it venom because you are a scorpion. Ready? Feel it. You need to focus on this. You have to really kill that prey. You want to eat it. You're hungry. Scorpions are not nice. They eat their prey. Come on, raise up your leg. She's working. Pretend that's a little bug. You want to kill it with your venom. You have to raise your leg up more. Come on, feel it. You need to push it. Dig deeper, okay? Dig it. You see? He's got it. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. I don't know what I mean. Don't compromise form. You are a scorpion. You want to kill. All right, now we're switching. We're switching to the other side. Ready? You feel it. You need to feel it.